All right, we are here at the coolest farm called Strawberry Hill Nutrition Farm.
And the nutrition is, the guy is amazing. He will give you a lesson on how to plant things together. You will know that whatever you buy here, you're walking away with something that has been loved because he loves his farm.
Yep, this is basically organic plus. He's actually above organic because he uses no pesticide or herbicide. Everything's natural. It's all about the soil and all the mineral content and planting the right things together. The food is amazing looking. It's fresh. We've already tried some stuff and we're buying a whole bunch more. So come check it out if you're in, where are we? The Green Bluff.
Green Bluff.
Green Bluff,
What
Washington, Northeast Washington State, Green Bluff. Known for its cherries, but there are amazing just orchards and gardeners here. And there are a flock of honing pigeons flying around, I think.
So yeah, so if you want an experience, you want to know where your food comes from, you will just be so happy.
Check it out. It's a cool place.
100%.